everyone, and welcome to my channel. This week I'll be showing you how to make this really cool floral wall hanging. So this piece is so incredibly easy to make, and I think it adds a really pretty bohemian touch to a room. But really quickly, before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be super cool, and I'd love it if you stuck around. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this project, you're going to need a wooden dowel, artificial flowers, twine, a hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, and an assortment of different laces and trims. You're also going to need a small fine-tooth saw, which I don't have pictured here, so I'm going to leave a link to one in the description box below for you guys. First, you're going to take your wooden dowel and mark out approximately how long you'd like your wall hanging to be. Next, you're going to take all your lace pieces and trims and cut them however long you'd like. You're then going to place them along your dowel and figure out what kind of layout you want for your wall hanging. Just make sure to cut your lace pieces and trims a bit longer than you'd like them to be, because you're going to have to tie them on your dowel in the next step. Now, we're going to tie all the lace pieces and trims on the dowel like so. When adding pieces, you're going to want to make sure to tie them over the ends of the previous ones. And if you're looking for extra security, you can hot glue the end of the previous piece down before you add the new one. Once you've tied all your pieces down, you can trim the ends so that they're all level. And once you're done with that, you can cut off any excess dowel using a small fine-tooth saw. You can also add some twine. And now it's time for my favorite part, the flowers. Once you've figured out how you want everything laid out, you just have to hot glue it down and you're done. Now you have this super amazing bohemian wall hanging, and all you have to do is figure out where you want to put it. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. This DIY project is so easy, so definitely give it a try. I think this piece is really unique looking and would add a lot of character to a space. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and bye!